Hello. So my name is David Mwakima. I'm a third-year graduate student in the Logical and Philosophy of Science department at UCI. And I'm doing this Zoom recording for students that are interested in learning more about our program and some of the reasons why we are studying here. So I'm going to talk about my area of interest and why I think NPS does excel in my area of interest, and I'll finish up with maybe my thoughts on why someone would choose to go to LPS rather than somewhere else. So the first question, so my research interests are in the history of philosophy, of science and mathematics. So in particular, I focused on the early modern period and early 20th century because I think there were a lot of important ideas coming out of that period, which are helpful in understanding how we got to where we are today in science and mathematics. So LPS excels in what I do because we have excellent faculty members who are very knowledgeable and well-read in my area of interest, but also the caliber of the students themselves. Well, this isn't surprising because we are an R1 research university. So I think the real reason why we excel is because we're specialized. I think this idea of specialization is something that is becoming more common in philosophy, especially because there's a lot of accumulated knowledge. One just needs to look at the Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy to see that there's a lot that we know today. So most departments are choosing one or two areas and just focusing on doing that really, really well. So if you think about MIT, for example, they do philosophy of language. If you think about Rutgers, they do a lot of epistemology and so on and so forth. So I think what LPS has done is focus on science. And we want to understand and do science really, really well, because it's a fact that you cannot criticize or what you don't understand. So here at LPS, we are, and by science, let me be clear, I mean, not only science like biology, chemistry, physics, but also logic, mathematics, and formal methods like game theory and decision theory. So why would someone decide to come to LPS? Well, I think if you love science and are interested in asking or understanding more about its conceptual, foundational, or philosophical aspects, and you want to do that within a specialized program, and you're also interested in learning about what it means to be a human being today in light of modeling that can be done using science, then LPS is your best bet.